Alright, welcome to my minsanang vlog. Kung sino man ang hindi nakakilala sa akin, well, I don't know you too. Damn.
Got him! Got him!
So anyways, this is a late upload vlog. Yan nga pala si Lester at sa kaliwa ko si Mac. Kasama pala namin si Kuya Edgar, hindi lang nagpapakita. So, magpapagas muna kami so that may karga ka agad. Full tank. Ito nga pala yung mapa guys. And then, yan yung babagtasin namin. Supposed to be it's 7 hour and 20 minutes kung walang hinto. Pero calculated as 10 hours siguro pag nag-i-stop over kami. Habang nagpapa full tank si Mac, magbubuhos muna kami ni Lester ng sama ng loob sa CR para wala nang alalahanin sa biyahe. Tuwang-tuwa pa si Lester.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
So nagluto pala ako ng pansit bihon at adobo naman kay Kuya Edgar para hindi kami magutom sa biyahe. Kakapalan ko na mukha ko dito kahit bawal magpainit ng ulam dito.
2K per day. Wala kang ibang gagawin, magkikinupal ka lang. Kupal ka naman eh. Bupal ka pa, boss? Uy, hindi, boss.
After kumain, eyes on the road na. Kailangan bantayan si Mac para hindi antukin, kausapin kasi tulog na yung dalawa sa likod. So, look at that sunset guys. Nakakawala ng problema pag nakikita mo yung araw. Panibagong araw na naman, boys.
Tinda ko.
Tamang road trip pa rin. Actually, 5 hours na kaming bumabiyahe at walang tulog. Pero yung isa, sarap ng tulog. What's up, Lester? Tamang hilig lang, parang piso. Eyes on the road pa rin. We have 3 hours left. And then, nalimpungatan ako kasi eto ba naman bungungad sa'yo? Akala mo magiging disgrasya kayo kasi nakaharap yung huso ng truck. So, 3 hours left. 3 hours left, man. Sobrang, kahit pala nakaupo ka lang natutulog, nakakapagod din pala. So, malapit-lapit na.
1 billion, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
Finally, we're here. Sinetup ko na yung drone ko. Trinay ko palipad kasi almost 2 months ko na atang dito na pa. Battery check, fully loaded. Operating system check, location check para walang aberya, baka bawal magpalipad. By the way, etong tropa ko si Lester is born and raised here in Canada. So hindi siya marunong mag-Tagalog. So interviewin natin siya.
Kung nasaan yung dinit, kararating ka.
Si Lester pala ay parang superhero na tropa ko. Parang si Spider-Man, ang daming kadikit.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Nothing. Get back to work, Carlos.
So I have the key ready. So let's get inside. Ito pala yung binook ko sa Airbnb for only $150 I guess. Nakalimutan ko na. Pero tingnan natin yung what's inside kasi meron daw babae sa ilalim ng lamesa. Sino ba yun? Anyways, so ito yung binook ko sa Airbnb. Medyo natuwa na may mga tropa ko. Sarap na tulog namin na ito bago gumala mamaya. So, good night for now.
Oh, hey, I'm just about to go to bed. I know we couldn't Skype tonight, but that's alright. Good night, girl.
After 3 hours, ginising kami ni Kuya Edgar kasi lakad na daw. So, ito na yung get up. Walang dapat sayangan na araw kasi 2 days and a half lang kami dito sa Niagara Falls.
Ay, ito pala, meron pa pala dito. Ang dami mo palang hotel dito.
Once you get in here in Niagara, may amusement park pala dito. So, hindi ka maboboring. Lalo na pag may pera ka. So, spend it wisely. Kung nag-iipon ka, hindi talaga tamang galaan to. So that's the tower. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Countdown for the falls. So this is it.
Please, sir. I want some more.
Come over, we can do this every night. Let's go straight to fucking. There's no talking, not tonight. No, I can hear your body tell me truth and tell me lies. Yeah, let's run away, just you and I down the road. I love the things I fucking did to you. Yeah, yeah. All the times you said I wasn't meant for you. Yeah, yeah. Aren't you glad you made me stuck inside your memory? Should've listened, told you I was bad for you. Yeah, yeah. Know you love the things I fucking did to you. Yeah, yeah. You're my little devil, yeah, I'd sin for you. Yeah, yeah. Aren't you glad you made me stuck inside your memory? Should've listened, told you I was bad for you. Yeah, yeah. Me, yeah. Girl, you should come over, we can do this every night. Let's go straight to fucking, there's no talking, not tonight. No, I can hear your body tell me truth and tell me lies. Yeah, let's run away.
So doon nagtatapos ang Niagara Falls. And then next up, we're going to Michigan. Michigan. Nakakabulol na, sobrang gutom, kaya we're going to Jollibee here in Toronto. One of my best food chain of the whole universe. Yan si ate, puro Pinoy din nagtatrabaho dito, half Pinoy, half Canadian. They are very nice too when it comes to serving.
Patanggen, yung masasabi mo sa...
Ano rin kain ni Lester? Paring Lester?
Wala, hindi masaya. Laging hindi masaya? Oo. Kasi walang mga baka eh.
Ika nga nila, pag nakapag-Jollibee ka, tanggal ang hapde at inagpit sa mundo. Pakita mga Lester.
Stop it. Get some help.
So after namin kumain sa Jollibee, dire-diretso na yung biyahe namin papuntang CN Tower at pumunta ng Scotiabank to see what's inside. So pumasok kami sa loob ng Scotiabank, tumingin kami ng mga merch. Gaganda kasi walang pera. Nihirap pag wala kang pera. The next time, babalik kami dito kasi manunood kami NBA Live kasi talo ang Raptors. Ano pa nga ba? Wala nang pinagbago. If you are new here in Toronto and mahilig ka sa basketball or sports, there's a lot of jerseys here. And it's original. Medyo pricey nga lang pero sulit naman. Solid na solid yung price din. May nakilala pala kaming kabayan dito. Shout out to Kuya Marlon. Napakasipag na tao. We talk a lot and discuss about the immigration here in Canada. Kasi medyo pahirapan ngayon pumasok sa Canada dahil sa paiba-iba ng rules. But we're gonna talk about that in the next vlog. But for now, ingat tayong lahat, pakumbaba. Laging may pag-asa, basta sumubok lang.